Did you know that some of the world's vineyards spray watered-down milk on their grapevines to prevent a devastating fungal disease? It sounds like a farmer's joke, but it's real science, and it works better than you'd think. Powdery mildew is a fungal disease that can destroy grape yields and wine quality worldwide. The fungus causes the fungus Erysiphe necator to attack leaves and berries, scarring the fruit and making it useless for winemaking. For organic vineyards, this is a nightmare. They can't use synthetic fungicides. Here's where milk comes in. Researchers in Australia discovered that a simple 10% milk solution, just milk diluted with water, is as effective as sulfur and synthetic fungicides at preventing powdery mildew on grapes. The milk spray works on multiple grape varieties, including Shiraz, Verdelho, and even Cabernet Sauvignon. But here's the catch: the milk has to be sprayed in bright sunlight. Scientists believe the proteins in milk react with UV light to create oxygen radicals that literally destroy the fungal cells. One study found that milk spray reduced powdery mildew severity by 90%, but only when applied regularly every 10 days in direct sunlight. And here's the craziest part: organic vineyards are now choosing whey, a waste byproduct from cheese production, instead of milk because it's cheaper and works just as well. One winemaker got zero infection on his Grenache grapes using whey spray. Basically, winemakers are fighting fungus with dairy waste. Want to learn more fascinating facts about agriculture and nature? Visit Sikho.ai for more mind-blowing discoveries.